DDAmanda is the #1 stock screener and scanner. This is how we're finding these winners early, guys. Simple to use by total beginners. Got advanced features for professional traders. Great support, 1 hour free one-on-one training, and check out these testimonials. I mean, they're off the hook. Guys love this program, and they're making a ton of money.
Okay, I'm working on fixing this CB axle. I don't mean fix it, I mean reband it, because I cut the bands off and took it apart in a previous video. And I got these bands and I got the tool, but what I did is I fucked up and I put a hole here. So I gotta fix that. I've got the Loctite to do it with, different kinds, but I thought I'd start with this rebanding. And these guys are pretty cool. I cut some off of this one already, it was too long, but they got these little hooks here, and these hooks go in these holes, and then after you do that, you pinch this with a tool. So I'm working on getting this rounded so that I can put it on here. And make sure it's long enough. See if this works. So look at that, I think it hooked in. Look at that, it hooked it in, son of a bitch. So then, you use this tool. Now I bought an expensive one, but I think a cheap one will work just as fucking good. I mean, all it has to do is squeeze that. Now let's open this sucker. Let's open this sucker. Anyway, that'll be one project I can take off the list. I'm going to put this CB joint back in my Honda, because this is OEM. And I don't think there's a fucking thing wrong with it. So you got this tool here, and I'm imagining all it does is, you put it in here, and then you squeeze it, if you get it open enough, far enough. For God's sake. Well, assuming that's how it works. I haven't read the instructions, of course. You only read the instructions when, when I was programming, well, I still do that, but I was programming at a bank, and we get a new software package, and we go, when all else fails, read the instructions. Let's see if that worked. I think that worked. By George, I think he's got it. I hope I put this back together again, right? Yeah. Looks good. Did this one hook in? No. Great. Well, the other two did, so I think that's how it works. I'm not gonna go 100%, but I'm willing to bet that's how it works. And then I gotta do a big one. It's the same thing. Around this. And you gotta cut it. So get it the right length. Probably right there. I got my little cutters here. So scored them. They should. I need better cutters. If you bend it back and forth, it should cut. I was thinking about my videos and how, I never edit. I just shoot it and upload it. So you guys get to see every fucking facet of it. I'll take some more off here. Let me get a better pair of cutters. I subscribe to Seymour Hersh's newsletter. He's the reporter who, reported on My Lai, the massacre back in Vietnam back in the day. And he just did a newsletter on... Really? These are no good. Let me get another pair. So he sends out this newsletter. Let me see if these work. Jesus. I gotta adjust every one of these. These work. I'm pretty sure. They're new. Christ almighty. Unbelievable. Well, it's Harbor Freight. What are you going to do, right? I wonder if they have a cutter in here. Wouldn't that be nice? I wonder if this is a cutter. No. Hey. That would be too much to ask for. I wonder what these holes are for. Alright, well, I guess we'll go. They used to make a 6-inch version of this, but I've got one inside, but I can't find them anymore. So anyway, he reports on this Moscow attack, the terrorist attack by ISIS-K, supposedly, which is all bullshit. Well, I mean, it was done by the CIA, MI6, and they've got some Ukrainians to do it, some ISIS guys, but then they put out a 48-hour warning, but they were trying to hit the Shaman concert, and security was too tight, so they couldn't. So then they just postponed it and did it, 3 weeks later, and hit the Crocus. But Seymour got it all wrong. He's like, I don't know what's happening with him. He's maybe spouting the CIA propaganda bullshit. Anyway, I'm gonna keep fucking with this. Basically what you do is you get it in the groove and you hook these little 3 hooks on here and then you squeeze it. Okay, I did better on this one. What you do is you need to bend these, to make them like so they conform, because this was like too straight. Make them so that they both bend, and then you can put it on, and then all 3 hooks will engage. And when you do this part, you got to really press down to get to the bottom of this. Get to the bottom of that. If you try to squeeze it at the top, it ain't gonna work. So anyway, I think I got this one good. And so we're good there. Now I gotta fix this hole right there. And I got some primer and Loctite. I'm gonna hit it with a little bit of acetone first to get all the grease off, or a lot of it, and then anyway, we'll do that next. I just realized I can use these for a lot of other shit. Anything else that needs a clamp, permanent clamp. Huh. Not just a CB joint. Oh, let's work on this. Now, this stuff is illegal in California. It's a primer for Loctite. Does it say how to use this? Danger flammable. Looks like there's an instruction sheet under here. Something. Looks like more warnings. Keep away from blah blah blah. Well, I imagine you put it on. Oh, there's a little brush. Look at that. Let's see if we can fix this. Put plenty of it on. Don't spare the paint. Alright, we primed it. And I got this, and then I got the 401. They even give you a little spray thing here. Let's get the 401. Master car. I had to get this stuff off of eBay because, like I said, it's illegal. California's so screwed up. Make everything fucking illegal. I think you have to puncture something. That's how you cover it up afterwards. Well, I know one way to puncture it. A good old knife. There, punctured. See if that fixes it. I just blew out a little air and I'm adding more to it. Alright. Well, we'll see if that works. If it does, I just have to push in on here and see if it blows out air or not. Might give it a second coat. Instructions on here. Directions, clean. That's all you can read without taking out the safety warnings. Unbelievable. Clean surfaces. Apply adhesive to the surfaces. Assemble. Maybe there's something else. I have nothing to assemble. Maybe you're supposed to put something else on top of it. All I can do is just build it up. Let's let that sit for a while and do it some more. Illegal. Why in the world, huh? Probably because of vapors or some bullshit. Oh well. Alright kids, that's all I got. Onward and upward. And I don't know what else to do. Imagine I could put like a piece of rubber in there or something. I'll just keep building it up. Alright. Okay, I think I sealed this. Put some soapy water on it. And I don't see any bubbles or anything coming out. You know, it's coming out on here, but that's going to have the strap around it. So, we're good. So I can put the straps back on here. Well, this one is the only one left. And I'm going to put this back in my Honda, because this is OEM, baby. Alright.
Everybody that tries DDAmanda absolutely loves her. These are all unsolicited, by the way. We didn't even ask people. I love you guys. Yeah, I love the program. So worth it. Probably made 500K. This guy's up 30K. Having everything I need to research on one page is definite time saver. Single day, 1525 profit. 15K on my first DD. Look at this guy. I don't know what to think about this one, man. This guy says he made 30 million. Read this shit. I don't know. He sounds kind of legit. I fucking love DDAmanda. Your program is the best tool I've ever used in the last 21 years. It just goes on and on. Okay, if you trade stocks, or if you're even thinking about trading stocks, this is for you guys. This is what you need. This is DDAmanda. It's the #1 stock screener and scanner that's out there. Um, and it uses both user input and AI to find and research winning stocks. And this is, it says right here, easy enough to use by total beginners. There's really no learning curve at all. You can be finding stocks within about 5 minutes after you log in. And it also has a lot of advanced features that are used by professional traders. Our mission is to help you make money by investing in stocks. That's the bottom line. That's what you want from something like this, Now, I use this all the time, and I've found some amazing runners. You've got here, look at this. They give you 1 hour of free one-on-one training and instant support. Having good support on a program is just so critical, I mean, here's their phone number right here. You can just call and text. They've got some testimonials here. I want to show you these because they're pretty amazing. I mean, look at this. This is what people think of her. I love you guys. Yeah, I love the program. This guy made 500K. This guy's up 30K. Everything I need to research. I wasn't even in Amanda one week, and he made 10,000 bucks. So these testimonials, it just goes on and on here. So anyway, they've got if you want to try, look at all these features. Dollars traded, 7MA crossovers, all sorts of stuff. But they've got an $8 a day trial subscription, so you can check her out and see if you like her. And some other subscription levels here. Anyway, I highly recommend this, guys, and do check it out and make some money.